Don Bosko was ahead of his time in many ways. Whether in his approach to education, youth empowerment, or social justice, he was an innovator. One of his lasting innovations is the collaborative spirit in which the Salesians carry out their ministries. Thanks to this saint of Becchov, the Salesian spirit is alive in co-responsibility, collaboration, communion, and shared mission among priests, religious, and laity. We can say that Don Bosko was the forerunner of what we now call in the Church the synodal way of life.